Tutunan eh.
Hi guys, good evening once again. Of course, welcome to Boardwalk Barbecue Station. Yeah guys. So, alright, so once again, I would like to thank Mom Means in the video here at Boardwalk. And of course, yes, my family, my wife, of course, and my cousin too. Oh, baby, just ko. Thank you! Salamat kayo ninyo ng ngayon na tanan, classmate, mga silingan, mga kaila, mga sustagan kayo. Thank you so much for support. And of course, the Boardwalk Barbecue Station. Thank you. And of course, we got here our guest here. Good evening, Mom, sir. Where are you from, Mom? Ma'am, where are you from? In Pasig? Colom? Hello, sir. Welcome to the Philippines. Hello, everybody. Yeah, welcome to Boardwalk Barbecue Station. And of course, once again, magpasalamat dito sa tanan na nasuporta mo na akong maayo until now. And so, first, my story in the US, and of course to my manager there in the side, nagabitay. And thank you, Mang Ning, sa kalpuin, ang duta ay guwapo na sobrang guwapo man. Then, of course, Bus Agong, Daiset, and of course, Indan, tapon. Oh, di ba, nakatapon. Oh, ang luto, bukang iro. And sa ako ang mga barkada, dagat kayo. Sa social media is very, very friend. And every time I do my concert there in every state in the US, I got a comment a lot. And it's very sad to say that, there are so many buzzers here. But I would like to thank that. Pasalamat Japon ko in spite of what I'm now. Yeah, salamat Japon kay why laing gabot ani ginuuray gabot ani tanan. And you know, parayon lang ko. And then of course to my bandmates. Oh, kalmar kayo sila tanan. Mga ginay-kuyog-kuyog po na ko sa una. And of course, sa amuang nagda o pasiugda sa una pa. Mr. Russell Lozano. On the house. Aliw. And sa mga kilid-kilid, kora dito. Thank you so much. And kani akong adlaw rin, mga kaliyokra. Igo na taon kong nihalok sa akong asawa. Asa po akong asawa? Wala lagi. Huy! Aska pa mo! Yawa. Akong asawa. Igo na taon kong niyongkong. Ani, mano siya! And, you know, kabalo mo siguro mo sa Facebook page, Roland Abandi Bunot. Thank you so much for following. Now, mga classmates, so ginungo ko mga taga-Bunlan. Di na sila magpalupig sa tapon. Sa Facebook page, thank you so much for following me. Comment every time I'm gonna show there. And this coming, so larga na sa daan, nung bitag Canada po. So, pabalikon mo na sa uban kayo, ganahan mas akong pagkagwapo. Alright guys, this time I'm gonna sing a song. And of course, my original song coming from Vinny Soprano. Yeah. And it's called I Love You So. And of course, ato ang okay. Sige din ang later. Imagine no denying. There is so much pain each and every morning. Won't you see me? Won't you hear me? The way it used to stay, the way it used to be. Now it says some time ago that I'll be fine to let you know. Baby, now seems that it ain't really so. 'Cause there's really nothing else that I'm truly wishing for. But to have you home, and I'm wishing for. So give me an only. But baby, please come back to me. No matter what I tell myself, my eyes can set me free. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm never sorry what can go. That I just need to let you know that I don't feel the thing to show how much I want to love you so. Yes, I took some time ago